Okay, so today's topic, we're going to talk about Power Automate, get team users. We're going to basically create a flow, and then we're going to get users from Microsoft Teams. Right, then we're going to do that basic cleanup that we usually do, and we get that data ready either to send an email or do anything else that you might want to do. Okay, so let's go here back to Power Automate. New flow, we're going to do instant just to for testing purposes, right? So we're going to do get team users, and we're going to do here a new step. We're going to look for Office 365 groups. We're going to use list group members. Okay, so basically behind every Microsoft Teams, you have an Office 365 group. So we're just going to leverage this functionality to fetch the group, the members from that group within Azure AD. Just click on the arrow. We're going to find one specific Teams, right? So I have Project 1, which already has some members. So if we look here inside Teams, we'll see that there are a couple of members there. Okay, so I have Project 1. So at Project 1 I have remote, and I have test 1 and test 2. Okay, so Project 1 is here. So let's just do a new step. I'm going to put in compose. So we see what we get back. Just going to put value, right? I'm going to run a little test here. So manual test. Let's see what we get back. Okay, permission to run Office 365 groups. Then we look into compose. We see a couple of data here, right? So there's a name. I have user principal name. Okay, I don't have the email field filled in, so we're going to use the user principal name instead. But usually you would just use the mail field if you have the email field filled in within AD, right? So we're going to do the same strategy as the other video. So I'm going to put in select, right? So we do the filtering strategy from the value. So I'm going to put value. I'm going to put the same thing. We put email. Then we put here what we want from this. So since I don't have mail, I'm going to use, okay, so usually we would use mail. I'm not going to use mail. I'm going to use user principal name because that's what I have. User principal name, that's what I have filled in here in this AD. So now I'm going to just output the select value. Right. So we see what we get. So we put here test, manual, right, and flow. Okay, so now we have a couple different emails coming by, right? So now we just do the same strategy as well. Same filtering strategy here with the filtering that we already had on the other one, which was the replace strategy. So we just copy this. We just paste it here. Just put expression, paste it, save it, and run again. Automatically. Use a recent trigger. So now we have it clean, and now we can use for whatever we want. You can either save to a file or we can send it as an email. Whatever strategy you want to do is up to you. So we already got the users. Now, anything else you may want to do, you can just pursue forward on the next steps here for the flow. Okay, so I hope you liked it. I hope you have fun there getting users from Microsoft Teams.